Are you ready to complete an Etch art book with me today? Let's go! First, we have these stickers. Let's see what they are. A pumpkin, a cat, a bat, a ghost. Oh, look at this ghost. And we have some candy. Now, let's jump into our Etch art. We're just going to use this wooden pencil that was included to scratch off and reveal a pretty design. I love all the pretty colors that are coming through on the page. What are some of the colors that you see? What's your favorite part about Halloween? Is it getting dressed up? Is it trick-or-treating? Is it getting candy? Or maybe a Halloween party? I love dressing up. I think I might dress up as Minnie Mouse this year. What are you going to dress up as? Aw, I love it! Now that we're just about done, let's count how many pieces of candy we see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a cute ghost! Let's go to the next page and see what we have. Ooh, a spooky, scary skeleton. Let's get started. Do you see the same colors on this page, or are there different ones? I see blue, pink, orange, purple, maybe some red. Do you see all those colors too? This skeleton sure has a lot of bones. I see his hands and his feet, his legs, his arms, his head. What about you? How cute! I would sure like to be a colorful skeleton. Let's go to the next page. Pumpkins! Let's see how these look when we're all done. Let's count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you picked out your pumpkins yet? Have you been to a pumpkin patch? I have my pumpkins all ready to be carved. Are you going to carve a pumpkin or maybe paint it this year? Awesome! I love it! Now let's finish counting our stars. We left off on 3. What comes after 3? 4. Good job. 5. And 6. There's 6 stars on the page. Ooh, so cute. And now we're on to the last one. This is a bubbling pot of potion. Ooh, spooky. Who do you think would make this kind of potion? Do you think a wicked witch would make this potion? Maybe. I love how all the bright colors come out on the page. It's so pretty. Do you like it? Yay! We're all done with our book. I hope you guys had fun and have a happy Halloween. I'll see you next time.